Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a branded template kit in PowerPoint. To get started, open the PowerPoint app. This will take you to the main start screen, where you can begin creating a new presentation from scratch. If PowerPoint takes a moment to load, just wait until the home screen is fully visible before moving on. Once PowerPoint is open, click on Blank File. This gives you a fresh presentation to work with, which is ideal when you want to build a branded template kit instead of editing an existing design. Starting with a blank file helps keep your layout clean and makes it easier to apply consistent branding from the beginning. Next, look at the top of the PowerPoint window and click on View. The View tab contains tools that let you control how your presentation is structured behind the scenes. This is especially useful when you want to create reusable slide layouts for a branded template kit. From the View menu, click on Slide Master. This is one of the most important parts of the process because Slide Master allows you to make design choices that apply across multiple slides. In other words, instead of styling each slide one by one, you can create a unified look for the entire presentation. That makes your template more professional and saves time later. Once you are in Slide Master, click on Theme and select a sample theme. This gives you a base design to work from. Choosing a theme helps establish the overall visual direction of the template, including the general style, fonts, and layout feel. If you are creating something branded, this is a good stage to pay attention to whether the theme aligns with the look you want. After selecting the theme, choose a sample background. The background plays a big role in the presentation's overall appearance, so take a moment to make sure it supports your brand style and keeps content easy to read. A good background should look polished without distracting from the information that will appear on each slide. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to design your presentation. As you continue, use the tools and prompts available in PowerPoint to shape the template kit according to your needs. This is where you refine the visual structure and make sure your slides feel consistent and organized. As a general tip, keep your design simple, readable, and cohesive so the finished template is easy to reuse. That's it. You've now walked through the basic process of creating a branded template kit in PowerPoint using Slide Master, a theme, and a background as your foundation.